Hello, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to go over a demonstration of this chocolate Easter egg vending machine I made. I found some of these chocolate eggs. My wife had a bag sitting on the counter, so I thought I'd build a little vending machine out of them. So I'm just going to put 4 in here to test. I made it work with nickels, which you're not going to make a profit on, but since they're not my eggs, I'm not too worried. So you put a nickel in the top, and you push the red button, and a Easter egg pops out. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Once you get the mechanics worked out inside, and you build it around these eggs, it works really well. Once it's done, you can turn it around and open the little door in the back, and the money should fall out. There we go. So that's it. Fairly simple, fairly quick. Once you get the mechanics figured out. It's a little odd with the eggs being an odd shape, but it worked out well. And I'll just show you a peek inside. Just going to take it apart so we can see inside. I think I'm going to have to change the camera angle here. Alright, there we go. That should be better. As you can see, I've got a couple of levers. You can see the red one here. There's nothing actually holding it in. You see if you push it too far, it hits the side and it won't pull out. If you put a nickel in, watch the little yellow lever. It's going to push it forward, which is what makes the egg fall down. So I'll just throw an egg in here. Nickel in, and the egg should come out. There we go. So the hard part was building the hopper so that the eggs would feed in at the right angle so that they wouldn't get jammed up inside. Once I had that done, it worked pretty smooth. Right, that's pretty much it. You can see this yellow lever comes out. It just slides back and forth. It has a simple job of, when there's a nickel in, it gets pushed forward and back. And there's the red lever. Again, same thing, forward and back. That's it. Once you get those built, there's a few extra pieces just to make sure the egg sits okay. But yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you've made something. Send me a link. I'd love to look at it. Please subscribe so you can see my next Lego build. Thanks for watching.